The materials that you'll need for this particular project are the cone template, markers or crayons, scissors, and tape.
Hi, my little friends. Today we are going to make a cone. First of all, you need to print out this template that I gave you. And then make sure that you have crayons handy or markers so that you can decorate them. So why don't we begin? You can make a choice between markers and crayons or even a mixture of them. So grab any color you like, and you can make striped designs, or you can make stripes like this, kind of like in a semicircle. You could add many colors of different thicknesses and variations between them. And you can add even squiggle lines. And you kind of want to go in a semicircle fashion because you're going to have like a roundish little cone when it's all done. Because if you went straight across, it may cause a little different, strange pattern going on. Let's say that you just want to do like a sketchy line, like that. You could use that and just be creative with your different lines. Let's say you want to make now a zigzag line. Zigzags are kind of hard, especially when you're kind of going in a semicircle fashion, right? I'm already starting to get off a little bit, but that's okay because it's a creation, right? And creations can be anything. All right, and then let's say you want to draw stars. So we're going to draw a star here, and just kind of keep your distance between the lines so that it's all the way around. Okay, and kind of go at an angle, like so. Oops, and there, and then this one. Okay, and you can use the same color throughout, or you can start all over and use those colors. So, I think I'm going to draw a little swervy line like this. And I think I'll come back and swerve kind of like it's interlaced. You could use any kind of pattern you want because that's what's fun about it, right? It's your creation. And if you want to get real creative, let's say you want little dots in these little squiggles. That'll add a new, different look to it, right? Because it's your design and it could be anything you want. Okay, and then we're going to do just totally zigzag. And remember, you got to kind of keep your distance from that one right there. And let's say that maybe you want little circles. Like that. All the way around, like so. Going around the entire hat, like such. Trying to keep the same distance between here and here. Okay? All right, now I am going to do, let's say, little lines in here. Right? Just to kind of add a little interest to it. Kind of makes it look different, right? Okay, now let's say that we want to draw like little flowers. All right. Could be a butterfly. Draw maybe which way. I can tell my little thing got off just because I've got it bigger here than there, but that's okay because we're just gonna make a creative little design here, and it's all right because it's what we make. And since you're the artist, it could be anything you want at all. then I'll finish off with one more squiggle. Okay, maybe I'll go like this. All the way around. Like so. All right. So once you get done coloring it, you take your little scissors and you're going to cut this out along the black line. So I'll take this off camera and I'll cut away. Okay, after you cut it out, what you're going to do is you're going to take your tape and cut off a piece and you're going to put it on the end right there. And then you're going to cut off another piece and put it right down there. Oopsie, be ever so careful. Now what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around like this. And then you try to make a point up there and you press down ever so gently on your taped items right like so. And voila, you made a cone. There you go. So I hope you had fun. Bye-bye.